I have a Briggs & Stratton outboard motor 5 horsepower. Can I replace it with a bigger motor or get more power out of my 5 horsepower with some modifications?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I have a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton outboard motor. Can I reach it with a bigger motor or make some modifications to get more hoe?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will help you with this. No, you cannot get any more HP out of it. What is this engine on? Also, what is the model?
It's a Briggs & Stratton outboard motor 5 horsepower 4-stroke. Not sure where to find the model number. 189cc 1-cylinder, 4-cycle, OHV. Can I replace with a bigger engine?
Hi, sorry, but no, that is the largest for the unit. You have the 7-pitch prop. Get a 9-pitch prop. I hope this helped you. Hi, I found this on the internet for 5 horsepower B&S. First thing you will need is stock length 3.875 arc billet rod, part number 6350. $50 for that. Then get a set of stock class/stock size billet lifter 1.600, about $15. Then get a Dyno 94 SS cam. This is the only cam you can use in a situation where you will not need and block work to run the cam. That costs $55. Then you need to buy 21-pound valve springs and heat-treated retainers, which will be about $10. Then get a copper 0.32 head gasket, which is $6. And a 5-degree offset timing key. To get maximum HP, you will need to port your block. If you have a Dremel rotary tool, you can do this. You will need to go to your local parts store and order a Autolite 292 spark plug. Also index your spark plug towards the intake valve. All of this should give you about 9 to 11 horsepower.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.